If you're still typing your captions manually or constantly having to fix the automated ones, you're wasting time. CapCut's AI auto captions are surprisingly accurate, and I'm going to show you how to customize them so they actually look good on your videos. So first I'm going to pull it up on my phone, and we're going to check out how we can add these captions to make them, number one, look good but also be super accurate. So going on my video that I put in here, obviously it's got to be one where I'm talking. You can also do captions for voiceovers as well. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the bottom where it says captions. The other thing you could do, you could go to, if you don't want to go to there, you can go text, auto captions. It's the same thing. I'm going to go to captions. I don't touch any of this. I let it auto detect. I don't hit any of the templates because later on I can change all of that and it's just wasting time in the beginning. So I'm just going to hit generate. And it's going to take just a few seconds and it's going to generate all these captions for me. Boom, it's already done. And now I can go in and start customizing it. Now I can keep it as just a default generic, or I can go customizing it. To customize it, I'm going to go to style. So I'm going to click on style. Here's where you have a lot of options, okay? And at first it seems like a lot. So I would find something in your first video that you can easily like aesthetically, and then you're like, okay, this is something that I would like to do in every video, and kind of find that theme. And once you find that, you can save all of this inside of CapCut, so you don't have to always search for it. It's just there automatically. So now I could use one of the templates that's already here. Like for example, I could click on this one. I like how it pops up. I like how the purple's behind it, whatever. But maybe I'm like, I'm not a big fan of the font, right? I can keep that template and just go over to fonts, and I can just change what the font is. So now it's this font right here. Or maybe I want it to look more like this. So now it's here. Okay, so that's how I can change like a template that's already created. Yes, this can help you save time, but you still have to do some tweaking in there as well. What I like to do though is I start on default, but then I start with the font because I like to really get what I'm looking for. And for my content I've been creating lately, my short form content, I've been doing something very minimalistic. So what I do is I go to fonts, and then I already have it saved right here. You can see it. Ugly Dave is the name. But these are some of the ones I saved. Now, I'm going to show you how to save them as well. So let's say I'm going through the fonts. So here's all the fonts. Let's just say for some reason I like this one, the chippy one, right? All I have to do on mobile is just hold down on it, and then it says added to favorites. So now when I go to this button right here, now it's added there in the favorites. So in the future, I don't have to search for it like I just did. I can literally just go to it and then it's going to pop up. Now you're going to see too, it says apply to all captions. If I unclick this, it's only going to apply to the one that you're currently on. It's not going to do every one. So make sure that's applied to all. And now I have it on my text. So now it's just the entire thing. Now, if you notice too, I don't have anything popping up or any of that. Let's say I wanted to add that as well. I'd go back to style. I'd go to animations. And this is where you get like, you know, one word at a time, or you get a highlight behind it, or a border pop up, right? You get the flash. Again, there's a lot of things you could do with it where it ultimately comes down to how you want to edit it. The other thing is this, like right now it's a straight line going across of all my text. If I want to change my text at any time, or maybe a word is wrong, which 99% of the time they're right, but let's just say it is wrong, I could just go here, and if I hit return, now you're going to see that it made it 2 lines. Also, maybe 8, I want it to be the number 8, like written out like that. I can just type it in and change it. It'll save it. And so now I'm good to go. Okay, so that's how you add those auto captions, and there's a lot of things you can do with it inside of CapCut. And now this is the mobile version. Let me show you how to do it on desktop. So on desktop, I'm going to take the same video, so I have it pulled up. I'm going to click on the imported video, and then I'm going to go to the top where it says captions. I'm going to click on captions, and then here is where I'm going to, at the bottom it says generate, I'm going to have it generate. Now ahead of time, if I wanted to identify filler words or auto highlight keywords or AI emojis, I could do this, right? I'm not going to. I'm just going to hit generate. So I'm going to hit generate. Boom, it pops up. And again, I can go through what I did before, the fonts. So I can go here to all the fonts. Same thing here, guys. If you want to save them so that way you don't have to look later and try to find it, you're just going to hit this star button, okay? So let's say the slender. Let's say I like this one, right? I can go here. I can hit the save. So now it's saved to my thing, okay? And now you're going to look at the top. It's just their favorites. I don't have to go to a separate tab. It's just up at the top. It says favorites, okay? So now I have my text in there. Let's say, and oh, let's say you wanted templates like we talked about earlier, right? Here's all your templates. So if I want a template, I could just click this, and these are all just the other ones that are already there. But let's go back to, okay, where I am here with my text. Maybe I want an outline. I can hit these to put outlines on it, and I can change it right here, whatever kind of color I want it to be. So let's say, for example, I wanted it to be, it's not letting me know. There it is, like a green. All right, I can make it green. Now, again, talking about like before the animation stuff, the animation's at the top right. So I'm gonna hit this, and now I could have, if I want it to pop up like this, if I want it to be like text, where it texts through, right? I could go through all of these and kind of find something that fits my style, and again, makes it super easy to do. And you can do it all right here, where this is just the intro. I can also do an animation on the outro, so when it's leaving, I can loop it, right? I have all of these options. And so what I recommend doing is going in and just playing around until you find something that you like. The other thing, which is pretty cool, is you can do a text to speech. So maybe you are doing like an AI or whatever. You can do a text to speech where you can literally take this. Let's say I wasn't talking, it's a voiceover, and I can use their voice to talk, and it's going to do this. I can also, if I go to custom voices, I can put my own voice in here. So I can literally record my voice, and then it's going to create the prompt that's going to sound as close to me as possible as an AI voice. So if you're ever doing voiceovers, it's another option for you as well. And in the future, I'll shoot a video on that too. Now, I will say the AI features on CapCut are top tier, and they're adding so much more every day. And one of the newest ones I found, what has saved a lot of time on clipping videos, is their AI clipper tool. And if you guys have not checked that out yet, I actually shot a full video on how that works right here. So go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you there.